Alright, so what's up people now? Let's get into this reaction video of Jahmiel's You Me Love. Jahmiel, boy oh boy. And people, honestly when Jahmiel just touched the scene, I swear to the brother was probably going to be like a 1-hit type of artist. But him surprised me and has just been doing a phenomenal job. Right about now, him kind of put him like as a younger Ayactin in terms of having that very authentic connection to that modern day roots reggae type of vibe. Like he managed to just have the dancehall and have the reggae vibe and he merge it in such a way where it just makes sense, and he's able to just come up with hits like this. People, the song, you know, it go just play at every wedding, every little wedding, every ghetto wedding, and the song you go play at some uptown wedding too. So let's jump into this video. Jahmiel's You Me Love. Yeah. No, stop, people, stop. The video that even reached 10 seconds good yet, I already hear the groove of the song. Like the song just sell off, it can't get the money pull up right there and then. Just one bag of money, you have to take off the elastic band them and just make the 5,000 of them just a drop a ground. So no, people, boy, me can't tell when last like me hear one song that is not dancehall when me literally rate so much. This song, me don't know what kind of meds him they under in the studio, but the song, yeah, he must know that from him put pen to paper, this song is a hit. And the video, RD, lovely video as well, but let's just jump into it. You me love, you me love, you me love. You me love. She's P, man. Watch out. Visuals. Watch a transition. They so they're bad. And the storyline behind it with a little bad mind friend, Jeez and Peems, so from the song to the video just shot. No wonder why they're on number 3 pan trending. Baby, whatever. No, just hear the groove in the chorus. Boy, oh boy, pull it up again, pull it up. They can't all fling your shoulder to it. Bombard! Watch out! Boy, this is it. I'm not even gonna do one full video review. Like, people, make sure you say check out the song. Like, this song, I'm not gonna lie, this song good. It's one of the best songs out of 2017 from a local artist. I have to give a thumbs up, and it's not one of them skin out, you know, dash out type of song. So this is kind of refreshing. It's a really good song, really good production. Big up RD, big up whosoever write this, if a Jahmiel, big up himself. But this excellent song, excellent video. I don't have nothing else to say. Big up. If you love this, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Leave a comment. What did you think about Jahmiel's song? How much you give it out of 5? Comment down below. If you want to follow me on social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. If you want to email me, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Alright, take care until the next time.